Quick update on my today's New York session. I took two trades, was watching four pairs. I was looking at a potential oil short. All time frames were bearish and it was working into this VWAP close here, working into the 8-hour low. So I was debating if this gives an 8-hour breakdown. This could be a nice continuation trade. Then it did a fake out into the 3rd hour rotation. So I'm always looking for trades after the 1 hour time rotation into 3rd hour. Then it completed a 8-hour fake out low. So I was not interested anymore. Then I came back down again, but then this choppy price action around the key level here made me not look any further. Second pair I was looking was Nasdaq. I thought it could make a continuation long, but it had a pretty big 8-hour range and was trading right in the middle of it. All higher time frames bullish. So I thought if I get a 4-hour fake out low, this might be good enough. I didn't get it. It came way into 3rd hour when I already was done. So in this sideways trading there within the huge 8-hour range, I also lost interest into that. Then the two trades I took, one was gold. Let's go to the chart directly. Gold already gave a very nice reversal trade yesterday. I took profits a bit early, but today the setup was still valid because we didn't take out previous days low. So we still had 3 days of longs in the market, 3 weeks of longs anyway, and we now had a daily fake out high continuation setup. It was against still, of course, weekly and monthly breakout, but all lower time frames looked very good. We had an 8-hour fake out high in the 1st hour, then lost the daily fake out high level into 2nd hour. New York Open just went sideways. I marked the New York Open level, and then once it grinded down into the 3rd hour rotation. Oh, it was grinding here on the New York Open level. I always mark that. So for me, it's a very good level to look at because you want to trade away from that. To trade through it, it's always risky in New York. So then into 3rd hour, it engulfed all this choppy price action with a very strong candle here. And then I just took the entry with this engulfment, placed the target stop loss above the last wicks, target 8-hour low. I thought that what was enough with the 100 pips and R3. And as you see, it just traded down into it 20 minutes after my entry roughly, and the trade was done. Second pair I was trading was DJ30. Very nice setup, very clean setup. As you see there at the bottom right, all time frames bullish and in breakout. And actually it was, we all know it was trading up, breaking out on the weekly here, and then today again after an inside day breaking out. So we also had the inside day target here to the top. That was a very aggressive target. I didn't want to risk to trade up there, but I think that even would have been possible with almost 300 pips. But I thought that's too much, so I waited for a lower target. So New York Open, as you see here, broke out, wicked to the top. So we got 3 candles to the top. Then it made a peak formation high, came back down into the breakout level, made a 5-minute fake out low, peak formation low. And this is one of my favorites, continuation setups. Once it confirmed the 5-minute fake out low, I still only waited into 3rd hour for the 3rd hour rotation. It wicked back down, and I took the wick on the way up again. target for me in such a situation conservatively is peak formation high, low with one full expansion. So you see it here. Very often you get at least this move. So I was very confident that it would complete at least this move, and very often then you get double expansion of that, but sometimes it also reverses at that stage. So I was placing my target here, and then also after 20 minutes it hit this target already with 120 pips almost and R 3.5. So it was like 20 minutes, two trades, both above R3. That was a very nice session, especially because I again started today to look at my charts 10 minutes into third hour, 10 minutes before third hour. So the whole trading session was again 30 minutes for me. I did that the whole week. It was very successful. Maybe I keep it that way. So I hope you had a nice trading day and week as well. I wish you a nice evening and a nice weekend. Bye bye. Thanks for listening.